Asking people from an audio store, what is one thing that you could do and instantly improve the sound of your audio systems? Hey Jerry.
Hello.
Okay, question time. What's one thing that you could do to your system and instantly change the sound of it?
I would say for most people, that would be to move the speakers away from the wall. I feel like I've seen a lot of setups where they're too close to the wall. So if you do that, I think right away you'll get better sound.
Okay, how far do you think would be a good distance?
3-4 feet.
Great, thank you. Hey Cece, why are you at my desk?
Check this out, guys. You guys think that she works so hard. Look at what she's doing. Look, she's watching Russell Peters when she's working. This is what she does.
Okay, Adrian, what is one thing that you could do to audio system and instantly change the sound? Let's be cheap today.
Cheap? Oh, come on. Chinese, stop being so cheap. Spend some money, okay? Buy a new system. You'll get better sound. Okay, a good one would be Isoacoustics. They make these isolation pucks. They start around $55 each. You can buy 3 to put under your CD transport or streamer or preamp or amp. You can also buy different ones for your speakers. If you don't know what they are, look up Isoacoustics. They're great. They actually work really, 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 really well.
Tristan,
Yes. Hi.
question time.
Right.
What is one thing that you could do to your audio system and instantly improve the sound?
Instantly, I would say remove any reflective objects like TV or coffee tables, because they can reflect reflect the sound, and like between the speakers. In between the speakers if possible. Yeah.
Hey Louis.
Hello, Cece. How are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Good.
Question time.
Okay. Wow. That's a tough question.
That is. And let's be cheap today. No big upgrades.
No big upgrades. Geez, I was thinking of improving my power cord, but depending on what you're using, I find that I use special power cords, which around the $500-600 range, with OCC copper, and that does quickly after burn-in, which takes probably 60 hours. You can hear a difference.
All right, Cici, it's your turn.
One thing that we could do and instantly change the sound, I would say angle the speakers towards you, play around with it, and sometimes if you angle it towards you, you might get a better sound. Very simple. Yeah.